Hi, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a new session on current affairs. If you like the session, please press the like button for sure. Share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as if you do that, you'll get the benefit of a whole lot of exam relevant videos, as you'll receive the notification of all these videos. This session is in English medium, as you guys can make out. As we upload the session in Hindi also, if you are not comfortable, you can switch to that session that is there in the playlist. You can look for it. Alright, I'll start the video. Stay put, watch the video till the end, because that's how you'll get the benefit of the entire video, because I'll be repeating all those difficult points which I'm going to teach you right now. That's how you'll be able to retain them easily. I'll start with the first question. The session is very significant. You cannot skip that, you cannot miss that, because you are going to see at least 4 to 5 questions in every exam, as the session is that important. I'll start with the first point, that is a J warrior. A J warrior is basically a joint military exercise between India and United Kingdom. So I'll repeat that. I was saying that between India and United Kingdom, there's an exercise, a military exercise. It was conducted, and the name of the exercise is a J warrior, and you need to know the venue of it, and that is Salisbury Plains. Salisbury Plains is in UK. Let's move to the next question. I'll start with Oscars from here. I've taught you Golden Globe Awards. Sort of similar. A lot many things are already similar. So we'll start with the Academy Awards 2020 now, Oscars 2020 now. Best Picture. Best Picture was actually given to the movie Parasite. Parasite movie is from South Korea. As it is from South Korea, it received some other award also. I'll actually explain that too, once we move ahead. I was saying Best Picture was given to Parasite, and Parasite is from South Korea. It is a South Korean movie. Best Actress was given to Renee Zellweger for the movie Judy. Renee Zellweger, I've already taught you that she received Golden Globe Award as well. So Renee Zellweger for the movie Judy, and who else could have actually been the recipient of this award? For the movie Joker, Joaquin Phoenix got the Best Actor Award. Joaquin Phoenix, Best Actor Award for the movie Joker. Best Supporting Actress. Best Supporting Actress, Laura Dern for Marriage Story. Best Supporting Actor, Brad Pitt for the movie Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Yes. So all these awards are important. I'll move to the Best Director now. So Best Director was actually given to Bong Joon-ho. Bong Joon-ho actually for the movie Parasite. He's the director of the movie. Parasite, the director of the movie Parasite was Bong Joon-ho, and he's the recipient of the award Best Director, Academy Awards I'm referring to, Oscars I'm referring to. Best International Feature Film, Parasite. As Parasite is from South Korea, it received Best International Feature Film Award also. Let's move ahead. Now we'll start talking about Australian Open 2020. As you guys can make out, all these questions are significant. You cannot miss a single question. I'll actually emphasize those questions which I find even more significant. I'll start with the first one. Australian Open 2020 men's singles was given to Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic's nationality is equally important for us. He's from Serbia. Don't forget, Novak Djokovic actually received the title men's singles in Australian Open. He beat Dominic Thiem. Dominic Thiem is from Austria. Women's singles was given to Sofia Kenin. Sofia Kenin is from USA. She beat Garbiñe Muguruza. Garbiñe Muguruza is from Spain. Men's doubles, Rajiv Ram from United States and Joe Salisbury from United Kingdom. Both of them, that means they became the recipients of men's doubles. Now we'll move to women's doubles. Women's doubles was actually given to Timea and Kristina. Timea Babos and Kristina Mladenovic. Mixed doubles, let's talk about mixed doubles now. Barbora Krejcikova and Nikola Mektic. They received the title of mixed doubles. I'm referring to Australian Open. Monetary policy. Let's move to monetary policy now. Monetary policy, when we look at it, RBI has actually kept almost all the rates are actually the same. We'll start with the first one, and that is repo rate. Repo rate was kept 5.15% only. Reverse repo was kept 4.9%. MSF, that is marginal standing facility and bank rate, 5.4%. Policy stance was kept accommodative. GDP growth rate for the current year, current financial year, 1920, that was kept 5%. GDP growth rate for the financial year 2021 was kept 6%. Let's move to the next point, and that is CRR, because you must be thinking I haven't discussed anything about CRR. Let's talk about it, because actually what happened is that RBI gave some sort of exemption in CRR. CRR is cash reserve ratio, the cash which bank keeps with RBI. That is cash reserve ratio. In short, I was actually trying to tell you what CRR is. So banks were given some sort of exemption when they lend through this special window. When they lend money through this special window to incremental auto, residential housing and MSME, then they will receive the exemption in CRR, and that is actually for the duration 5 years. The next point is assessing digitalization of payments. We have seen that all the payments are actually generally made digitalized. As we know that all these digital payments should be checked. There has to be some check over them. So digital payments index has been launched for the same. So assessing digitalization of payments, digital payment index has been launched. Linking of loan rates to medium enterprises. RBI has introduced that the loan rate should be linked to medium enterprises to external benchmark, and it will start from April 1st, 2020. The next point is revised liquidity management framework. You are going to see a lot many questions. You are going to see a lot many questions from this page. I'll start with the first one. Revised liquidity management framework. Earlier, there were banks have to, there were daily repo rate operations. Repo rate operations were there. Daily repo rate operations were there. RBI has abolished that. The next point is, earlier, 4 14-day term repos used to be conducted, fortnightly conducted, and they got abolished too. The next thing is that when daily repo rate operations were abolished, a 4 14-day repo rate operation was abolished, then what is going to happen? How are they going to conduct such operations of repo rate? They are going to be conducted like that. A 14-day term repo, a 14-day term repo, reverse repo operation will be conducted. Please understand that I'm talking about only one. So one 14-day term repo, reverse repo rate operation, repo operation will be conducted, which is going to coincide with CRR maintenance cycle, and that is the main liquidity management tool. That one 14-day term, 14-day repo, reverse repo operation will be conducted, and it is going to coincide with CRR maintenance cycle. Long-term repo operation started up to 1 lakh crore, and the duration of it is 1 year or 3 years. If you wish to understand in detail, please focus on my words now. You must be thinking why I am using such a term like long-term repo operations. You need to understand I have actually mentioned 1 day repo rate operation, 14-day repo operation, or 4 times 14-day repo operation. Such things were getting discussed. That means repo operations were short term. Repo operations were short term. Now I'm referring to something else, that repo operations are going to be long term also. That is why long term repo operations, you are going to see LTRO's full form in your exam, and that is long term repo operations. Yes, that's the expanded form of it. Long term repo operations, LTRO's full form. So RBI has started that, and the duration which was kept for it is 1 year, 3 years. That means 1 day, 1 year, 3 years. These are the long-term repo operations from now onwards up to 1 lakh crores. One-time restructuring scheme for MSME advances extended till December 31st, 2020. There are certain advances which are actually provided, which are given to MSMEs. One-time restructuring can be done, and the time duration was extended for that restructuring. That time duration was extended till 31st December 2020. Financial Literacy Week will be observed, has been observed actually, because it is from 10th to 14th February. Yes, don't forget that, and don't think that it has to be 7 days week. No, it is not like that. They've kept it like that, so we have to read it like that. Financial Literacy Week from 10th to 14th February. There was a theme which is going to be there in your exam for sure. The theme is micro, small and medium enterprises. Yes, the theme which was kept, that was micro, small and medium enterprises. Banks that have been allowed to act as merchant inquiring banks. You've seen POS machines where you go, where you shop and you swipe your card and pay the money to the merchant. Now they are saying that HDFC used to install machines, Kotak Mahindra used to install machines, or maybe any other commercial bank, scheduled commercial bank. Here I'm saying something else, that RBI has given the right of merchant acquisition to RRBs also. RRBs, regional rural banks I'm referring to, that they have received the right of acquiring the merchant. They have become merchant acquiring banks now. That means they can also install POS machines. They can also receive payments through Aadhaar Pay. They can also receive payments through BMAP terminals now. So RBI has given them, RRBs have become those merchant inquiring banks now. The next point is DEF Expo. That means I'm referring to Defense Expo, which was organized in Lucknow. Defense Expo 2020 was organized in Lucknow. Banks brought under RBI supervision by Union Cabinet. I am going to tell you the names of those banks, the category of those banks, where you must be thinking that all the banks are already there under RBI supervision. No, it is not that. They were not there. That is why Union Cabinet has brought them under the supervision of RBI now. They are multi-state cooperative banks. So multi-state cooperative banks, from now onwards, it was decided by the Union Cabinet that they will be under the supervision of RBI. The next point is Indian city certified formally as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO, that is Jaipur. This question is going to be there in many exams, that Jaipur, Indian city Jaipur has acquired the status of World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Formally, they have been actually received the status of it. Sophisticated analytical technical help institutes, they are SATHI. As you can make out, the full form of this is equally important. Don't forget that the full form of SATHI is equally important. So SATHI is an initiative by Department of Science and Technology. The next point is World Pulses Day. World Pulses Day is observed on 10th February. Arun 3rd is a hydropower project built by the assistance of India in Nepal. Yes, because if the question is there, like what sort of project Arun 3rd is, it is a hydropower project. I was saying that it will be built in Nepal with the assistance of India. Yes, don't forget that it is getting built in Nepal, not in India. I hope you can make out. See, because when we say Arun 3rd, we all understand that it is being built in India, somewhere in India. No, it is being built in Nepal with the assistance of India. The World Health Organization declared an official name to the tragedy of new coronavirus. Yes, I'm referring to the disease that it had got a new name, that is COVID-19. East Asia Summit 2020 conference. The place, the venue which was set for it, that is Chennai. Best performance in Pradhan Mantri Matra Vandana Yojana was given by Madhya Pradesh. Let's start the revision from here onwards. Ajay Warrior is the joint military exercise. What sort of exercise? Joint military exercise between India and United Kingdom, and the place, the venue was Salisbury Plains, UK. The next point, Best Oscar, Best Picture, Parasite from South Korea, Best Actress, Renée Zellweger for Judy, Joaquin Phoenix for Joker, Laura Dern, Best Supporting Actress for Marriage Story. Best Supporting Actor, Brad Pitt, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Best Director, Bong Joon-ho for Parasite. I was saying that Best International Feature Film, South Korea, from South Korea, that was Parasite also. Men's singles, Novak Djokovic, referring to Australian Open. I'm starting Australian Open from here on. Men's singles, Novak Djokovic from Serbia. Women's singles, title lifted by Sofia Kenin from USA. Men's doubles, Rajiv Ram from USA. And Joe Salisbury from United Kingdom. Women's doubles, Timea Babos and Kristina Ladinovic. The next point is mixed doubles, Barbora Krejcikova and Nikola Mektic. The next point was monetary policy. Monetary policy where all the rates were actually kept almost the same. Repo rate was 5.15%, reverse repo 4.9%, MSF rate and bank rate 5.4%. Policy stance was kept accommodative. GDP growth rate for financial year 1920 5%. GDP growth rate for financial year 2021 6%. That's the estimate they are actually providing. If bank lends through special window to auto, residential, housing and MSME sector, then they'll be receiving CRR exemption, and that is the period for 5 years only. Assessment for digitalization of payment should be done, and for that they have actually released digital payment index, linking of loan rates to medium enterprises to external benchmark from April 1st, 2020. The next point is daily fixed rate repo abolished. 4 14-day term repos conducted fortnightly, that was also abolished. A 14-day term repo, reverse repo operation will be conducted, which is to coincide with CRR maintenance cycle. Main liquidity management tool, actually that was long-term repo operation started up to rupees 1 lakh crore duration, and the duration is 1 year and 3 years. One-time restructuring for MSME advances extended till 31st December 2020. Financial Literacy Week from 10th to 14th February. The theme which was kept that was micro, small and medium enterprises bank have been allowed to act as merchant acquiring bank, and they are RRBs basically. Defense Expo organized in Lucknow, banks brought under RBI supervision, that they are multi-state cooperative banks. Jaipur has become World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Sathi's full form was Sophisticated Analytical and Technical Help Institutes. That is the initiative by Department of Science and Technology. World Pulses Day 10 February. Arun 3rd with the help of India is being built in Nepal. WHO has declared the official name for coronavirus, that is COVID-19. East Asia Summit 2020 conference, Chennai. Best performance in Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana was given to Madhya Pradesh. Thank you so much.